Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the display of a website on Safari. So you're just going to hold this like a thing on the top left corner of your screen for a few seconds until this shows up. Click on it again and you can change the colors. You can choose from this one, that, gray, or even black. You can also change the font. As you can see here, you have, I don't know how to pronounce that, Charter, Georgia, Iowan, New York, Palatino, San Francisco, Saravak, Times New Roman. I don't know how to, pronounce that. And you can also make the font a little bit bigger, and you also have these like website settings too. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!